Hello guys, welcome back to this week's iFIXit session. So today we're going to be looking at a PlayStation 4 remote. As you can see, it's had better days. In fact, I'm pretty sure this is a release model one. Probably came out when the PlayStation came out, about seven. No. When did the PlayStation 4 come out? Oh, sorry, I got a bit curious. It was 2013. Yeah, 2013, so 7 years ago now. So you guys can see that. 7 years ago. So this controller is about 7 years old. It's quite a good age, I think. Hello?
James, can you hear me?
Yeah.
James is asking me, why can't you do your...
No co-space last. I'm live right now. I'll text you. Sorry about that one, guys. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. So, let's get this taken apart. A 7-year-old remote. Good if we started with the right screwdriver first. When I get these 4 screws out, I'm going to have to take this off camera because it's quite difficult to unclip this. So just bear with me while I do that as well. Another screw. Just bear with me, guys. I always struggle with this bit. There we go. So it's just coming apart now. Takes a bit of persuading, especially on the older remotes. They were built differently. I mean, inside for 7 years, it's very clean. Looks like I managed to keep all the clips intact as well, which is nice. I'm just going to completely tear this down. I'm going to clean it all up. I'm going to use... Oh, so I've turned on the PlayStation. Oops. I'll just leave it on. So I'm just going to completely strip this of all of its components, and then I'm going to clean it. So after 7 years, it gets a bit dirty. So just remove the screw here. So far we've only taken out 5 screws, which is a nice change actually, considering that most of Sony's toys, let's call them, require a lot more. Oh, 1 second. So let's take this bit out. It's just the main motherboard. I'm not going to bother cleaning that. 1, it looks nice and clean. 2, it's not worth it because you risk damaging everything else. Let's take out the trackpad as well. Well, the touchpad, whatever this bit is. And let's take a look. Let's take a look at what 7 years gets you. Gotta be honest with you guys, it's looking very clean. Right, there you go, got some nice dust in there. So I'm just gonna dismantle the bottom piece as well. So I'm just gonna take out the charger port and anything else that needs to come out. So I'm gonna clean these triggers as well. Let's get that charger port out first. So this is mostly just clipped in. So this white bit lifts up on this end, pulls out, and this light bit lifts up as well, pulls out, that comes out, 2 screws, and the charger port is out. So it's really easy to replace the charger port on these as well, which goes bad quite often. So I'm just going to go and grab hot water. Hot water? No, I'm going to grab a bucket of hot water or a tub of some sort. I'm just going to put all these parts inside. And I'm just going to swash them around, get it all cleaned up. And yeah, that's that. Be right back. I'm back with the hot water. So that's the very quick. It's literally just hot water washing out liquid in a bucket. So I'm just going to put this in there. Just going to wash it. So that's all the buttons, all the triggers, anything that doesn't have any electronics attached to it. Just going to throw it in. I'm just going to scrub it, so I've got a sponge in here. I'm just going to sponge everything down. So while I wash these, I'll talk to you about the common issues that PlayStations have. So you've got the common issue of the PlayStation sounding like a jet engine. I've already covered how to fix that in a different video, but I'll probably make an updated version at some point. You've got the stick drift, which is a very common issue for the controllers, which is where the stick will move itself even when you're not doing anything. So like in games, your character will move around and look around even when you're not pressing anything. That's a very common issue with these as well. You've got the blue light of death, which is it's not that common, but it's still common enough for it to be a known problem. That probably means the PlayStation will be unfixable. It normally means that the processor has either died or has come off the motherboard, and it's a very hard, risky fix. So most times it doesn't get fixed. It's probably cheaper and better to get a new console, second hand at least. So there's that. You've got buttons that don't respond when they're pressed. That's an easy fix. In fact, I've shown you guys how to fix that before as well. You've got... I think that's about it. That's all the issues I know about with the PlayStation. I'm just going to get this all cleaned up. So just scrub it well. Toothbrush works well as well with this. Just keep going, I guess, until you've cleaned absolutely everything. So I think Sony charges like £50 for these remotes, which I think is a complete rip-off, considering one, they're mass-produced, two, it's quite basic components, so quite unfortunate that they do that, but there's not much you can do about that. Nearly done here anyway. Just trying to get this spring out which I've dropped. There we go. There it is. Right, let me go empty this bowl of water. What I'll do is I'll get some just normal cold water and I'll rinse them all off and then I'll dry them up. Be right back. I've just got a bucket of cold water and I'm just going to rinse everything off. No soap, no nothing. Just to get any residue left to come off. Nearly done. Just going to keep rinsing. Alright, I'm just going to lay this all in the towel and then I'm going to put it back together. Now I'm not going to let you sit here and watch it all dry, because that's going to be like sitting and watching paint dry. So I'm just going to call it a day here. Thank you very much.
Hey guys, thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed watching, please remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Follow me on Instagram at Lucas_Lane_1. Follow Soapbox at Soapbox Islington. And as always, have a great day. Bye now.